This is just a quick tip video on how to install a drawer handle. This is a drawer for an understairs storage unit that I built myself. I just want to add this handle into the center of the unit, but I want to accurately mark where the holes are so that I can drill for the screws. I use my tape to get the measurement of the width of the drawer. It's 73 wide. My handle is 30 centimeters wide, so I take 30 from 73 and that gives me 43 centimeters. So to get the distance from here to here, I just take 30 from 73, which gives me 43, and then divide 43 by 2 is 21 and a half. So I know now that the distance from this edge to here is 21 and a half. So that's how I got those two marks. Then the next thing I did was use my level to mark a straight line between those 2 points. Get some blue tape and stick a piece along the length of the back of the handle. Just press down the tape on the edge so that you can see the imprint of the handle through it. So you have your bottom edge of the handle. Then I just use a pencil to mark the end of the handle on each side. You can do a little bit along there as well if you want. So that highlights the edge for you. Then just use the pencil to poke a hole through the tape. And that's your template made for the holes of the handle. It'll be exactly where the screw holes are. I just trim the tape close to the end as well. Just makes it a bit easier to see your lines and where you're going to match them up. Then peel your tape off. I stuck the tape onto the unit in between the 2 marks I'd drawn on previously. And I just made sure that the center of each hole was on the level line that I put onto the unit before as well. Just use a piece of Lego to keep your hole drilled square. Put your drill into it. Next, put the bolts through the holes. I threaded in one side already, then just line up the next side. Then once it's threaded, try and evenly pull both sides of the handle in. I had to use 2 washers here because the bolts were slightly too long. And that's the handle installed. Nice and tight, and it's solid and level.